Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Chaudhrykitchen. So today my mom will be showing you on how to make Dalgona coffee. So we're gonna start with placing 2 tablespoons of instant coffee into the bowl. Okay, so now we're gonna place 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're going to place 2 tablespoons of hot water. And now we're gonna whisk this with a whisker. It's gonna take about 3 minutes. Okay, so guys, this is the result of the mix. It took us 3 minutes to whisk it with an electrical whisker. But if you guys were manually whisking it, it would take 5 to 6 minutes. And you should get this foamy type of consistency. All right. So now we're going to assemble it into our glass right here. So we're going to place about a few ice cubes in the glass, about maybe 2 to 3 depending. And now we're going to add 3/4 of milk. Okay. And now we're going to be adding the mix. So now we're gonna be garnishing it with whipped cream and chocolate. It's up to you guys, it's optional. Depends on what you guys prefer. But here we're gonna top it off with whipped cream and chocolate. So this is the final result. I hope you guys like my recipe. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the video. Hit your bell icon for more updates on new videos. And comment down below if you would like us to make any new recipes or any new suggestions that you guys have. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.